Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
So our 25 will now be, this is 30 minus 5. It will give us 25. So, and I said that we read it from the back. Àrún, you can say àrún. Àrúndínlọ́gbọ̀n. 26 now, also be 30 minus 4. So you see it now. It will give us 26. So we now say, I can write Mary, Erin, Erin. So let's write Mary. Mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. You know, where we get this L, I've explained. Mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. The letter L and N. The letter L and N. Li, you remember? L, li, N, ni in Yoruba. So it now become mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. Mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. Àrúndínlọ́gbọ̀n. So this was 30 minus 3. 27. So I don't want to write M again. I don't want to use letter M here. So I can say ẹ̀tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n. So this is ẹ̀tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n. You see it? So okay, sorry. Minus 2, which is 28. So I want to write another one, ìkejì. So I can say ìkejì, I can say èjì, I can say méjì. Ìkejìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. Ìkejìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. Méjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. Èjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. Èjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. So this one also 30 minus 1, which is 29. So it will give us, so now from the back, ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n. 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 That is, you know, I told you I can cancel this one. So I can say ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n. I can even say ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n. I can say ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n, which is 30. That is, when you minus 1 from 30, give us 29. So that is where we now get 30, which we call ọgbọ̀n. 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 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún, 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀sán, 10 ẹ̀wá, 11 ọ̀kànlá, 12 èjìlá, 13 ẹ̀tàlá, 14 mẹ́rìnlá, 15 márùndínlógún, 16 mẹ́rìndínlógún, 17 mẹ́tàdínlógún, 18 méjìdínlógún, 19 ọ̀kàndínlógún, 20 ogún, then 21 ọ̀kàndínlógún, 22 méjìdínlógún, 21 ọ̀kànlélógún. I've told you is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 21 ọ̀kànlélógún, 22 méjìlélógún, 23 mẹ́tàlélógún, 24 mẹ́rìnlélógún. Then come to 25, which is minus. 25 márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n, 26 mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n, 27 mẹ́tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n, 28 méjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. Now I told you can say ìkejì, kẹta. 29 ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n tàbí ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n. Then 30 ọgbọ̀n. So I'm rubbing it now. That is from 21 to 30. So this one is now 10. Mẹ́wàá. 20. Ogún. You can see. 30. Ọ̀gbọ̀n. Mẹ́wàá. Ogún. Rèmí. Ogún. Rèmí. Ọgbọ̀n. Rèdò. Mẹ́wàá. Mídòmí. Mídòmí. So that is it for that. So we are now go from 30 to 40 now. 30 to 40. 30 to 40. Onka. 30 to 40. Onka. 30 to 40. Onka. 30 to 40. So this 30 plus 1, you can remember. Plus 1, which is 31. 31. So we are counting from the back also. In every number, we count from the back. The formula that are there is also that is the rules in Onka Yoruba in figures. Is that you must know these signs. These signs. Ole, Odin, Ole, Odin, and then still two more signs that I've told you that is multiplication. Ìsọdipú pọ̀, ìsọdipú pọ̀. Because we still get to it. Ìsọdipú pọ̀. And in Onka Yoruba, we call 10 only in Onka Yoruba. 10, which is ẹ̀wá. In Onka Yoruba, we call it so when we get to the place, we still refer to it. We call 10 in Onka Yoruba. So these are the rules, the formula. So this is 30 plus 1. We count from the back now. Ọ̀kan. There's no need for drawing it. We know it from 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So ọ̀kan. Lé. Ogún. Lé lọ́gbọ̀n. Lé lọ́gbọ̀n. Ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n, which is 31. 30 plus 2, which is 32, means méjìlélọ́gbọ̀n. You know we are using ọgbọ̀n now. 30. 30 plus 3. 33, which is mẹ́talélọ́gbọ̀n. 30 plus 4, which is 34. Mẹ́rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n. 31, 32, 33, 34. 31 ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n. 32 méjìlélọ́gbọ̀n. 33 mẹ́tàlélọ́gbọ̀n. 34 mẹ́rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n. So now you know that plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we are now go for minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So we are going for minus again now, which is from 35 to 40. But before we go further, we also must know 40. What do we call 40? It's just like that 20. So in here, that is where we now get this multiplication. Ìsọdipúpọ̀. That is 20 in 2 places. Ogún méjì. 20 in 2 places, which is 20 times 2. That is when we get the ìsọdipúpọ̀, multiplication. That is the meaning. So now 30, we now say 40. This is 40. We call it ogún méjì. Ogún méjì. Ogún méjì. which is ogójì. Ogójì. And another name for it is òjì. Òjì. 40, ogún méjì. We call it ogójì. And another name for it is òjì. Òjì. Ogójì. Òjì. That 20 we call it oko, so I will still get to the place when I'm rewriting it. That 20 we also call it ogún, then we call it oko. 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 So because we still use it in the next, when we are still going further. So this one will now be 40 minus 5. This will now give us 35, which is àrún dín ní ogún. Àrún dín ní ogún. Àrún dín ní ogún. So this one now will be 40 minus 4, which is minus 4, which is 36. 36, which is 36. So 36. It will now be mẹ́rin lógójì. Oh, sorry, ogún. Àrún dín ní ogún ogójì. That is ogún méjì. We have told you that we write it ogójì. So I want to do this, I want to shift it up so that I'll be able to see it very well.